YouTube just released a brand new feature that's not only going to allow you to get into the YouTube partnership program way quicker, but it's also going to allow you to monetize your YouTube channel no matter how many subscribers you have. I mean, you could literally have 0 subscribers, be able to monetize your YouTube channel if you're able to make the right content. But I am going to warn you, 99% of you are not going to use this tool and this new feature effectively, and that's going to be the reason that 1, you fail to get monetized right now, but 2, and probably more importantly, you fail to actually make money from YouTube. In fact, this creator implemented the tips that I shared with him about a year ago that was about a similar feature, and it was something he took advantage of, and he was able to blow up his YouTube channel and he was able to blow up his business. And this creator was able to do the same thing the last time that I made a prediction like this. So please, you need to make sure that you are not making the mistake that so many of you are gonna make, which is not watching this video all the way through to the end, because I promise you, the last thing that I share with you is literally going to help you be able to monetize your YouTube channel right now with shorts, no matter how many subscribers you have. Now, this new feature is being able to add a related video to your YouTube shorts. Essentially what you can do now is you can link out to either another short or a long form video when somebody watches one of your YouTube shorts, and this is going to be something that YouTube is prioritizing. In fact, if you can create a good call to action that gets somebody to watch more shorts, guess what's going to happen? You're going to get monetized on YouTube quicker. You're also going to allow YouTube to push out your content to way more people, and you're going to be able to do this if you're able to effectively craft a call to action not only in the title of your video, but also at the end of your video. And there's 2 ways for you to do this. But first, I need you to smash that subscribe button. If you want to go click on YouTube, Instagram, or TikTok, I literally upload a video every single day about how to grow on these platforms. In addition to that, I just created a free YouTube growth course that you could get at the pinned comment below. It's going to share with you things like the best time to post on YouTube and the best hashtags have recently changed. So I also included that. So please make sure you get into that at the pinned comment below. It is literally 100% free. So when it comes to crafting a good call to action, you essentially want to do what I just did in that call to action. I identified who you were, which I know you want to grow quicker on YouTube. So I recommended that you subscribe if you want to grow quicker. Now, obviously you want to grow quicker because you're watching this video. So you need to ask yourself, a viewer that's going to be watching your shorts content, what else do they want to learn? And then you also need to make videos on that, or ideally you already have videos on that, and then you can craft a good call to action at the end of the video that should at most take 3 seconds. And essentially what you want to do is open up a new problem for the viewer and then tell them to click the link below in order for them to solve that problem, and then they're going to watch the next video, and then the next video, and then the next video. And then guess what ends up happening? The YouTube algorithm loves you. Not only are you getting 3 views for every 1 viewer, but then your content's also getting pushed out way more, because YouTube understands that if they can get your content in front of people, then they're going to keep people on YouTube for longer, and they're going to be more satisfied on YouTube, and boom, that is exactly what YouTube wants. Now you're probably wondering, Rob, how on earth do I actually add this? So what you need to do, you need to go on a laptop, a desktop, or an iPad, and you need to go into editing one of your shorts videos. And I suggest that you do this for all future videos and all past videos. And if you look in the bottom right-hand corner where end screens or where cards used to be, you're now going to see a related video, and then you can do a search for the video that you want to be able to add into that. But we can't stop there, because there are 2 other things you could do to get monetized way quicker on YouTube. The next one is going to be using your shorts to drive to your long form content. The problem that so many YouTubers have is not getting 1,000 subscribers, but it's getting those 4,000 watch hours, especially if you're predominantly a shorts creator. It's really hard to then create long form content as well, because you're so used to keeping somebody's attention for 10 seconds, 30 seconds, or 60 seconds, and you're not used to actually driving people to do long form content. And the way that you could get around this is by creating 2 to 5 shorts videos for every long form video that you make that are directly about that video, and you need to then go after the things that somebody's going to be interested in if they want to watch that long form video. Because the number 1 mistake that I see creators make that can't bridge the gap between their shorts and their long form content is that they're about 2 different topics. So the way that you get around this is create 2 to 5 dedicated shorts that are basically a partnership with that long form video, and then get people at the end of the video in the call to action to go watch your long form content, and boom, you're going to increase the amount of views that you get, and you're going to get 4,000 watch hours quicker than anybody else ever has before on YouTube. But we can't stop there, because this last way that you use this feature could help you monetize your YouTube channel even if you have 0 subscribers. And that is that you use your shorts simply to garner attention to a sales video. And there's a really easy way for you to do this. You need to create a long form sales video, and it needs to be good. For example, if you go to the homepage of my YouTube channel, I have a sales video where I talk about how you can hop on a phone call with me, how you can get me to audit your account, or how you can get 30 days of coaching with me. And essentially what you can do is create something like that, put it on your homepage. Now it's an advertisement where people are going to run into it, and they can find out what affiliate links they can get from you, or they can find out what products or services you offer, but more importantly, now you can then create a bunch of shorts and drive all that traffic to that video because there's no rule that says that you can't do this. In fact, YouTube is openly promoting that they want you to do this. And what is this gonna do? It's going to allow you to monetize your YouTube channel without 1,000 subscribers, without 4,000 watch hours. All you have to do is simply create content that's valuable to an audience, point out a problem for them, and then solve that problem with either your product or your service or the affiliate link that you're promoting, and boom, you're able to monetize your YouTube channel without needing a bunch of views, without needing a bunch of subscribers. You just need to get in front of the right person, which YouTube is the best platform on earth to be able to do that on, and boom, you're gonna be able to make money. Now, if you do wanna get into the YouTube partnership program, you need 1,000 subscribers, and if you don't have that, I wanna help you get that. In fact, I wanna help you get that way quicker than you would right now, because my job is to know exactly what you need to do on YouTube, and your job should be simply following those instructions and getting the results that you want. So if you want guaranteed subscribers on YouTube in the next 30 days by me telling you exactly what to post, when to post, what hashtags to use, critiquing your content for you, looking at your analytics to determine how you can actually optimize your videos so that you can spend more time doing the things that you want, well then please, keep watching this video because I've got a special offer for you. The opportunity to grow on YouTube and this organic reach that we're currently seeing is not going to last forever. And there are two things holding you back right now. The first one is that you haven't implemented everything that I just shared with you in this video. And the second is that you haven't gotten into my YouTube mentorship program yet, which literally is going to guarantee that I help you get more subscribers on YouTube in the next 30 days, or you get your money back, 0 questions asked. In fact, the average person that's gone through this program in the last 30 days has gained over 31,000 subscribers. And the lowest amount of subscribers anybody has ever gained is 1,000 subscribers if they implement everything that I share with them in this video. If you want results like that, please go to the link in the description below and sign up right now, because if you're still watching this video, I'm gonna guess that you're above average. So the odds of you getting over 31,000 subscribers is probably quite high. And if you don't remember, you need 1,000 subscribers in order to get monetized on YouTube. So this is a perfect opportunity for you to make more money from YouTube and for you to set yourself up to become a full-time YouTuber. In fact, I'm going to tell you exactly what to post, when to post, what hashtags to use, again, to guarantee that you get more subscribers on YouTube. If you don't get more subscribers, I will give you your money back, 0 questions asked. And it doesn't matter what your background is or what your niche is. This program is designed to help you get more subscribers faster and easier. Ultimately, it's going to get you more subscribers or your money back. This creator just went through it and gained over 100,000 subscribers. This creator over 150,000 subscribers, and this creator over 400,000 subscribers. And I want you to be my next success story, and I want you to be the next person that makes a full-time living from YouTube. So please go to the link in the description below, sign up right now. You literally have absolutely nothing to lose. You're gonna get more subscribers or you're gonna get your money back. If you're not interested in those two things, please watch the next 2 videos I put up on the screen because they're the videos YouTube thinks you should watch next. Thank you so much for watching.